everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So as you guys can see right here, we got all the labels on the receptacles, all the switches. So I worked on these 3 switches over here and this blank plate. They were sticking off the wall a little bit, so I took out the switches. I dug down the sheetrock a little bit. I didn't shave the sheetrock, but I just cut out the sheetrock between the mud ring and the outside of the wall, because the boxes were sitting back a little bit. So that was nice. I didn't have to shave the sheetrock. As you can see, there is the refrigerator receptacles out right now, and there is only one switch right here. You'll see this is partway through the day, so you'll see a little update in a minute. But we went ahead and switched all these receptacles out to GFCIs, got all the plates on, got all the labels on. Here in a second. Right now the labels are not on. So worked on switching out some of the receptacles that needed to be GFCIs to GFCIs from regulars. Got all these turned on and working. You'll see here in a second, got all the labels on those as well. I gave myself some time to talk because the first time that I did this, it was like I didn't have enough time to say everything that I wanted to. So as you can see right here, back to the switches, got the labels on those. The clock is straight now. Yesterday it was off, so the contractor guy fixed that. Thanks, Tony. I appreciate that, brother. So these are all done, nice and flat on the wall. Got the refrigerator receptacle in. As you can see, it's not GFCI, so went ahead and cut in this box over here. Didn't quite finish it at the end of the day, so we're going to turn one of those into a GFCI switch for that receptacle. So we have to totally rewire that. Luckily, there's some pipe going up to these boxes from the home run boxes down to the refrigerator and to that switch. So we're going to rewire that with the line and the load. It's just a whole ordeal right now. Not ordeal, but it's just a whole process to rewire that. So I'll let you guys know what we choose to do on Monday morning. Got the flex between the home run boxes because the switch is circuit 10 and the refrigerator receptacle is circuit 5. So we have to connect the boxes to rewire the line and the load and send wires back and forth between boxes. So anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I'll keep you posted on Monday what we do to rewire this. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys all have a great weekend. Stay safe. God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys back in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.